seen y'all for like 2 years. We're gonna call this unit Lucky 7. You can see my son's been through here. Got all the old flooring up, carpet, tack strips.
Damn. Looks a lot more open now, ready to work. Can't believe how much stuff was in here.
A lot of stuff was in here.
The dumpster still got room?
Barely,
Yes.
but it still fits. I know.
This should be a fun project.
So he took all the vents off, thermostat. Man, he got this place looking good though. All the doors taken off. Trim, toilet, vanity. Tub might be savable. This thing still got good wiring. And even that relay looks good. Let's see a blower motor and a squirrel cage. He's gonna need some work. That's what we're planning to put on. Two 52-inch Sidlow fans. They're low profile. LED, color changeable. Use your knee, bend it a little bit. About like that. We're not gonna mess around too much. We're gonna just set off all the 20s. That's the only thing you're trying to make sure of, is you don't put a screw through a wire that's up in the box. Alright, we're just gonna hang the motor from the hook. I actually put the stranded wire a little bit further out. Wow, that is tight. And when you're done, give them all one more click. And this is one of those 100-watt equivalent true white. All right, so we're gonna turn the power back on here in a little bit. But I really wanna figure out which one of those breakers are real. That almost be good. I'm gonna run these back to the store. Yeah, there's a lot to do in that unit. We're just gonna knock it out one thing at a time. So just like small projects is better. Get these bulbs back in the store. So I ended up getting these 60-watt white filament. See, that bulb looks pretty cool. I also found one of these old fan motors that go in there. Adjustable speed evaporator fan, but I don't think we're gonna do that today. That pops right off the hook. Definitely gonna stick with the 4000. Right there. Gotta get rid of all this popcorn in the crease. Gotta get rid of all these nail pops. This ledge collects a lot of dust and dirt. I usually just cut the tip at an angle. It works really good to go both ways. I'm pretty thick on the corner. So I used to spray these units and it took about 12 to 13 gallons to spray one. I'm just gonna roll this whole thing. The China X works really good, that extra firm, because that paint's really thick. Thermostat. Marquee satin. Feels like concrete. Have some snap rollers. This new way to put these. Just clip it in. Kinda can't beat this deal. 200 bucks. I think I found the last pack of batteries. And out of the tools, we go with the 3-inch cutoff wheel. Brush this, and I'm gonna get a Diablo blade. This would be good for outlet cutouts on tile and little notches. Man, so once a month they send you this 10% off if you use your Home Depot card. They have a military discount too, but you gotta like jump through hoops just to use it. Try to keep a log of how much I spend. But that's another big purchase. That's all the paint rollers with the fans and lighting. And the second one, it'll probably be the countertop, sink, disposer, backsplash. The third one should be tile, thin set, and grout. So I spent about 3 hours doing brush work. Pretty much everywhere a 9-inch roller doesn't fit. That's why we painted around the fan and lights the first time. Sure. Paint protection. I don't see any runs yet. Double bag it. So it should stay wet here for at least a week, but we'll probably use it sooner than that. Ended up having to just brush it. Didn't want to pull the roller out. These are fully caulked and painted drawers. Let's go. Alright, let's get this chopped up. Hopefully I don't cut the bed of my truck. Look like a good cut. Now we got our own little workstation. Put all our tools on here. Did a little bit of patchwork. Doesn't look that bad. Some siding. You can see water heaters came a long way. They finally put this where it shoots straight out. So whenever you have a water heater and you have limited space up top, you can put these 90s on there. Get your hoses on there. I'm just trying to make sure these are pointing the right way. I love it when a plan comes together. I think all we got left now is go ahead and turn on the pressure. Got cold water and hot water. I just leave this cardboard down here to look for leaks from the valves. You can see the traps leaking a little bit. It's probably this joint or this joint. All right, let's see if it holds pressure. Hopefully we don't leak in here. This was the hard part. You got all this tile out. He was using this Bauer 13 amp 6-inch scraper blade. And he removed this little pony wall. The pony wall is usually about 4 foot tall, little wall right here, but we found out it's not load bearing. These nails come out nicely. Good enough. Can't forget about the cats. Welcome to paradise. Probably gonna start by trying to get organizing the tile, all the mortar, all this stuff that's just laying around here. Get all this out of here. Get the countertops cleaned off. I might get the fridge out. And that's where that pony wall, the main brace goes. Right onto a random 2x4. And on the pony wall, this is where the wires came out. Just run it back up to the switches and mount them right there. So if you're putting outlets in the metal boxes, these ones work really good because they don't have the exposed screws to hit the side of the metal box. You don't have to tape it. Just lift it out, put the wire in, and it holds it really tight. They really did a good job. This looks really good, all the spacing. It's as level as you can get it for this kind of foundation. But they are young and strong. I'm old and brittle. Hopefully I can make it to the end of this. I think I have everything except for a mixer right now. Vacuum, wet saw, stand, a whole bunch of leveling wedges, some clips. We're working on these grinder blades for a little bit. This thing has been a beast, the little Ryobi. Probably gonna just throw this under there. Hopefully you won't have to use the wet saw, but we'll find out in a little bit. Kinda can't beat that. 200 bucks off. 448. 18 cubic foot, 30-inch fridge. Good morning, kitties. I think last place we left off was we had all the tools to do some of this tile work. We had a mixing little paddle, but we were missing the actual mixer. All right, unboxing video coming up. LXT, brushless, XPT, cordless mixer. I don't know about this dust shield. No way that's right. Yeah, it is. You can already see the Chuck's gonna be a headache with this tool. Now you know that's not gonna slip. And I was trying to find a hammer drill for later. This one ended up just being a regular drill. There's my hammer drill. Yeah, keeps it pretty organized. About 2 weeks ago, I put a shower pan at my sister's house and they already did all the tile and everything. I need this to drill through some of that tile and install a shower door today. We're putting the fridge in here. I think this one had a 28-inch fridge that we're gonna save for another place, another property. All right, this is gonna be a second unboxing video. Looks like we're gonna be saving some energy. Bold style. I bet that portable live scope would fit right on there. Third unboxing video. Got him. Alright, this is the lash kit I've been using. For a while, this gap's a little bit wide right here. A little bit harder, but worth the extra time. Alright, in this video, we're gonna be throwing down some tile, cutting it, fitting it, trying to level it out. Let's get going.